Introduction to triangles. After watching this video, I will be able to classify triangles by angle measures. So triangles are really important in geometry, and in order to begin talking about triangles, we could kind of first need to identify how to call a triangle. Triangle is basically any shape that has three sides, and we can use a little symbol of a triangle along with three capital letters that represent each of the vertices, or basically the endpoints. And then with every triangle, there are three angles formed. Based on those three angles, we can classify the triangle. So an acute triangle is any triangle that has all three acute angles. And acute means less than 90 degrees. An equal angular triangle is any triangle that has three congruent acute angles. So three congruent acute angles means they would all be the same measurements. So all three angles are the same. In order to be classified an obtuse triangle, only one of the angles has to be considered obtuse, which is more than 90. And then a right triangle is basically a triangle that has a right angle, and right means 90 degrees. Please note an equal angular triangle is a special kind of acute triangle, and we'll talk about that a little later on. So, given the angle measurements of each of the following triangles, we can label them as acute, equal angular, obtuse, or right. For the first one, all three angles are less than 90 degrees. So acute. For B, one of the angle measures is 90 degrees. The other two are less than 90. So because of that one angle that's 90 degrees, this is considered a right triangle. Next example, one of the angle measurements is 97 degrees, which is more than 90. And all the others are less than 90. So because of that one angle, this is considered an obtuse triangle. For my last example, all of the angle measurements are exactly the same. They're 60 degrees. So because all the angles are exactly the same, it's called equal angular.